Connecting your Chamberlain garage door opener to Wi-Fi allows you to control and monitor your garage from anywhere using the Mic app. This process is straightforward and gives you peace of mind. First, ensure your opener is compatible. Look for the Mic logo on the motor unit. You also need a strong Wi-Fi signal in your garage. Check your phone's Wi-Fi bars while standing near the opener. You will need your home Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and your password. Have your smartphone ready. The first step is to download the official Mic app. You can find it in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app. You will need to create a new account or log into an existing one. Follow the on-screen prompts for account setup. Next, you need to prepare the garage door opener itself. Locate the Learn button on the motor unit. This is the part of the opener attached to your garage ceiling. The Learn button is typically a small, square button. It might be yellow, purple, red, or green. It's often located near an antenna wire. This button is key to the pairing process. Now, go back to the Mic app on your phone. Look for a plus symbol or an option that says Add a device or Add new. Tap it to begin. The app will ask what kind of device you are adding. Select Garage Door Opener from the list of options. The app will now provide instructions. It will tell you to put the opener into pairing mode. To do this, press and release the Learn button on your motor unit one time. Do not hold the button down. A small LED light next to the button should turn on and stay lit. This indicates the opener is ready to pair. Your next step involves your phone's settings. The Mic opener will now broadcast its own temporary Wi-Fi network. The app will instruct you to leave the app and go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name that starts with Mic followed by some numbers or letters. Tap on this network to connect your phone directly to the opener. After your phone connects to the Mic network, return to the Mic app. The app will detect the connection. It will then scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list of available networks will appear. Find your home Wi-Fi network in this list and select it. The app will then prompt you to enter your home Wi-Fi password. Type your password very carefully. Incorrect passwords are the most common reason for connection failure. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. Once you enter the password, the app will send this information to the opener. The opener will then attempt to connect to your home network. This may take a minute or two. The motor unit's light might flash, and you may hear a beep. The app will display a success message when the connection is complete. The final step is to name your garage door. You can call it garage door, main garage, or whatever you prefer. After naming it, the setup is complete. You should now see your garage door on the app's main screen. Test the connection immediately. Tap the icon in the app to open the door. Then, tap it again to close the door. Ensure it responds correctly. If you have trouble, check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the garage. A weak signal can cause problems. A Wi-Fi extender can help boost the signal if needed. Also, re-verify your Wi-Fi password was entered correctly. Thank you for watching this guide on connecting your Chamberlain opener.